Hello and welcome to another unboxing. Today we have a special watch from Alfawise and the model name is MC50C. You may notice that it's written 1080p on the box, which indicates a video resolution. This is because this watch has a built-in camera and microphone for recording video, sound and taking still pictures. In the box we have the watch itself. Under here we have a USB cable. It's a standard micro USB for connecting to chargers, PCs or Macs. Here's the manual. I'll show it quickly so you'll have to click pause if you want to read anything. Here's another manual, and this one only shows you how to download and set up the app. Be aware that the app must be downloaded from their website. On the front of the watch we have what looks to be a large screen, but it's really not. Under here is the screen and the camera, which takes a lot of the space. The screen is only 0.42 inches, so it's not big at all. On the right side we have 3 buttons. The bottom 2 are used to control the camera for recording and taking pictures, while the top button is to activate the display and navigate the options here. We have time and date, steps, distance, calories, and percentage of reach goal. On the left side we have 2 holes in the rubber band. The one on top is the LED light, which will show you the status of the camera activities. The bottom hole is the microphone. Holding the bottom button will put the camera in standby mode, so it's ready to start recording video, making audio or taking pictures. To start recording video, we click the bottom button. To stop, click it again. To take pictures, click the middle button. Every time the button is clicked, it will take 3 pictures. Press and hold the middle button to record only audio. The bands are made of TPE rubber, so they are quite soft and comfortable to wear. They also look good with some pattern on the sides. There's no clasp or anything here, but the pin does a good job, so the watch is easy to take on and off. Removing the module from the band is very easy, and it doesn't really matter if you do it from the top or bottom. It's made of plastic and feels quite solid, although it doesn't look to be very water resistant since the buttons etc. are open. On the bottom there's nothing at all. On the top you'll find the card slot for the micro SD card. It supports sizes up to 64 GB. Here's also the USB connector for connecting to a charger, a PC or Mac for transferring files. The bands are flexible and stretches a bit, so getting the module back in is easy. Let's try it on. For a bracelet it's a bit big, but I guess that's necessary to get the battery-powered camera and all inside such a small device. When fully charged, it should be able to record up to 1 hour of video. The bands are comfortable though, and I hardly notice it on my wrist after wearing it for a while. Bands do stretch a bit, which makes it sit firmly on the wrist without getting too tight. To connect it to a PC, just pull off the end of the band and connect it with the micro USB cable. When it's connected, you'll see that the media is sorted into separate folders. Here are the photos we took earlier, and as you can see, the quality is okay. The record folder will have the sound files, if you record only sound. And here we have the videos. On my MacBook I cannot open these files in the default video player, so I had to use VLC. Let's just open that and test one video. Testing sound 1, 2, 3. This is a sound test 1, 2, 3. Also here the quality is okay. Let's have a closer look at the pictures. There's also a file here called time.txt. It is used to manually set the time if you don't want to use the app. This is the app used for the watch. I think there's supposed to be a map on the front screen, but it doesn't show up. If we click this blue icon, we will get to choose devices. And here we choose Bracelet. In here we can see the activity data. It only shows the steps, distance and calories burned. So there's not a whole lot in here. Nothing else is clickable, so there's no more details about the activities. You can of course see this information directly on the watch, so the app isn't really needed to get this information. Clicking in the corner will bring us to the settings. And here we can change things like health settings. It's age, height, weight, goals and things like that. In my device, we can see the device we have connected to. This is also where you need to go to connect the device the first time you open the app. Here's also some notification settings, so you can choose which notifications you'll get on the bracelet. At the bottom here are some more options. You can create groups with friends and family. You can chat with them through this app, and you should be able to see where they are on the map. Here are some sample photos and video from the watch. And it will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and please remind to comment, like and subscribe. And click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Testing sound 1, 2, 3. This is a sound test 1, 2, 3.